Okay, so we're ready to begin our math lessons today. Let's start with the Saxon booklet. And we'll open to Guided Class Practice 39A. Okay, and at the top of the page, you notice there's the number 36 that we're going to be writing today. Okay, so curve. So when you start your 3 and your 6, when they're together like this, we say 36. So go ahead and say 36 as you write it. 36. Okay, start at the dot. Curve around. Curve around. 30. Start at the top. Slant down, curve around, and close it up. 36. One more time at the dot. Curve around, stop. Curve around, stop. And then start at the dot. Start at the top. Curve down and curve back in. 36. Okay. How'd you do with that? Okay, curvy letters. A lot of curvy letters when you're writing 36. Okay, we're going to go to number 2. I'm going to read to you and the cats here. So it says, Ted counted 3 cows standing and 2 cows lying down. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of cows Ted counted. Okay, so this is an addition problem. So we're putting together, we're adding. So we're going to circle the 3. And then also right here, there's the 2. So we're data mining right now. We're looking at our word problem to see what's the important numbers that we need to use, and are we putting together, are we taking away? So it's saying we're counting how many we're all together. So let's just use circles today to help us. So first we'll draw this 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And again, I always like to count out loud when I'm drawing. Then we're going to put our plus sign. Just like that. Go ahead and make your plus sign. And then on the other side of the plus sign, we'll draw 2 circles. So this is our picture showing our addition. So this is our picture addition right here. So then we're just going to look at our picture because now we are mathematicians. We're looking at our data. So we have 3 circles on this side. And then we bring down our plus sign, 3 plus. And then we bring down our 2. So we turn it into a number sentence. We take it from a picture sentence into a number sentence. Okay. Then how many cows did Ted count all together? And we do not have to guess. We just go out there and count all of our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And so I'm going to write my 5. It has a neck, a big round belly, and then a hat on the head. And I always like to mark an item when I count it to make sure I don't skip one or count something twice. So there you go. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. And Ted counted 3 cows standing and 2 cows lying down. Now down here we're going to finish the pattern, and there's all different kinds of patterns, lots of patterns in nature, and right after this I have a video that talks about different ways you might see patterns around you. Okay, so let's start with this one. We have circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square. Okay, so what comes next? Okay. So for me, what helps me is I'm going to call the circles A's, and I wrote an A in there. The triangle is a B, and then the rectangle will be a C, so ABC. Okay, so then there's another circle, so I can call that an A. There's another triangle right there, so I can call that a B. And then there's another square, so there's the C. Okay, so this is an ABC pattern, ABC, ABC. So I know an A is going to come next, which would be a circle. And then I need a B, which is the triangle. So I draw my triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, right? I can put my B in there. And then finally, the C part of my pattern would be the square. Okay, ABC, ABC, ABC. ABC, ABC, ABC. That's our pattern right there, okay? All right, check your work. We're gonna go to number 4. Number 4 says draw an X in the top left-hand corner of this paper. Well, how am I gonna know where left is? And especially if you're watching. Well, here's what I'm gonna give you a clue. I write with my right hand. So this is my right hand, and I only have 2 hands. One is my right hand, one is my left hand. So it's this one right here. So I'm going to take the left side, top of the paper, and up here is where I'm going to put an X then. Why don't you go ahead and do that for left? Some of you might be left-handed, so it would be with the same hand you write in, and you just go right up to the top. Right where it says name, you put in X right there. And then it says draw an O in the bottom right-hand corner. So here's the bottom. There's the page number 127, so I'm just going to put an O down here. Okay, so you can go ahead and do the same. For me, my right hand, I always remember whichever hand, the hand that I write with helps me remember which is the right hand. However, if you're left-handed, then you can remember it by looking at your hand and saying, oh, I write with this hand and that's my left hand. So that makes your other one right, because you only have a choice between left and right, because we don't have 3 hands, we only have 2, right? So it's a good thing we don't have 3. Okay, so write the number that is 1 more. Okay, so count in your head. What comes after 7? So if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 comes after 7. So then you can write an 8 right here. Okay, 15. So think about that in your head. You can always count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 comes right after. So that would be this is a 1 and a 5, so then you have your 1 and your 6, okay? Then for 25, I can start counting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. But let's say that I forget what comes next. Guess what? You have a place you can look, right? Your 0, the hero chart, okay? So if you go on here, you go up to the 5s, there's your 25 right there. What number is right up above the 25? That would be your 26. Okay, so you can write it here. Okay, same thing. If you find the number 16, if you look right there, there's the number 17. 15, there's the number 16. That's this one. And if you look at the number 7, right above it is the number 8. Okay. Okay, so let's work on these problems right here. We're going to write the answers, and I think today I'm going to use my cubes because I haven't used those in a while. So let's do that. We have some doubles and some +1 problems here. Okay. So the first one says 4 plus 4, so I can use 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. The next one reads 5 plus 1. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right, the next problem, 6 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when it's a doubles problem, you know you're going to have 2 linking cubes that are exactly the same length. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So notice when I count, I touch each one. That's always going to help me in counting if I touch each one, okay? So 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 12 is the 1 and the 2 together, okay? The next one says 1 plus 7, so I need 1 right here. And then I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put 1 more in there. I need 7 cubes here. Then I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write my 8 right here. 9 plus 9. Okay, so let's Let me get 9 blocks out there. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if I have 9, that's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to put the same amount. If I put exactly the same number out here, then I'll have 2 sets of 9. Now I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, then 18 is a 1 first and then the 8. Okay, now I have 1 plus 8. So I'll put 1 yellow block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8. So this is 8 plus 1 is going to be 9. Okay. And now the last one, 1 plus 0, will be 1. Okay, go ahead and check your work. Make sure you got the same answers. I'm going to clean up my blocks and give myself the exit ticket. All right. Great job working on your math today, boys and girls.